Get out of my way.
How was the road?
Get out of my way.
How was the road?
Feed the chickens?
No, how could I?
Why don't you stick the pork chop?
How can I?
How?
Ah!
Look, I can't stand that.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday! Guys, Mother Nature is hitting us full force right now. We got like a foot of snow.
Oh, we do not have to.
Yeah, we do! That is a foot of snow. That's a foot of snow, Dad. Guys, we got a foot of snow. It's going crazy. Yes, we do! Yes, we do. It is a foot. Yes, it is. Guys, let's get today's started before we ever call subscribe. Click the bell, talk, guys. Hi, guys, I'm back. My dad's in here arguing with me about the snow, but look at this, guys. Does this not look like a foot of snow? Meow, come on, kitty. Come on. Come on. Kitty, 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 come on. Come on. Kitty, come on. Oh, come on. He's out there playing in the snow. He's out there playing in the snow. Kitty, come on. Meow. He's out there playing in the snow trip. Really? Look at this cat, guys. Like, do you see this cat? Look. Look at him. He's out there playing in the snow. Kitty, 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 kitty! I can't even... Look at him. I don't even know what he's playing with. I think he's... I think he knows. Guys, it's amazing living in the mountains. We got snow all over the place. It's amazing. Not really. Hashtag my mom's scared to death. She's stuck at work. My dad's got to go get her, and they had a heck of a time going down there in the morning. Now my dad has to go back and get him again, and I don't know if they can get him. You better take it slow.
I took it slow this morning. Car was hitting, coming down the hill sideways.
Hit a horror story. Guys, I'll come back in a few minutes. Hi, guys. I'm back in the middle of the Arctic freeze. Like, look at this. We got... I can't get every much snow we got. Man, I went to bed last night and it was like hardly any snow. Boom! Got like a foot of snow. Almost a foot. My dad's being crazy about it. But look, there's birds out in the snow. Why is there birds on the table? Birdies, what are you doing? I don't know. But I'm home alone for now because my dad had to go and get my mom because she was afraid to drive this morning, which I can understand why. And then she can't get her way back home. No one will go get her, so my dad had to take her. So I don't know. I had to go get her. So I don't even know if my dad's even going to work today. I feel sorry for the chickens because they're going nuts. I can't go feed them by myself because I'll jump out. We don't want them to jump out. I just stepped on the kitty because he's in here in his curtain. Kitty cat, why are you hiding in here? Meow. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding? He's right there. Why he keeps stepping? He's like, I'm out of here. Anyways, guys, so I have no idea what the heck. Hope they're okay because my dad had a heck of a time driving in the snow, and there's cars come down the road sideways on a hill and about hit them, and they're stuck in traffic, and it's just bad, guys. It's bad out there. If you live in West Virginia, don't drive today. Unless you absolutely have to. My mom actually had to because no one would go to work because they didn't want to drive in the snow. My mom had to go there, and yeah, she felt bad for the woman that was working there because she spent there all night, and so she had to go. She was the one that would go, so she went. My dad drove her, and then she couldn't find her way back home with someone else because everyone else is afraid to drive, so I had to go get her again, and it's just bad. So I'll have to film them once they get home. They're going to be all shooken up, and it's going to be bad when they get home. Anyways, guys, I will come back in a few minutes. Alright, guys, I'm back. My dad's made it home. Did you make it home? Dad, how were the roads?
Get out of my way.
How was the road?
Get out of my way.
How was the road?
Feed the chickens?
No, how could I?
Why don't you stick the pork chop?
How can I?
How? Look, I can't stand that.
Why? Why? Gee whiz, Dad.
Go get Jake. You can't do that.
I didn't even want him to go out, open door, and the yellow genie took off.
Where's the cat?
What? They're all in here somewhere.
I heard him yelling somewhere.
No, he's not. He's in here.
Oh, Jake killed it.
Probably. He's been one out there all day. That's probably why I shouldn't open the door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'll go get him, then we'll feed the chickens. Don't start! I didn't mean to let him out. I just opened the door to yell at you and he took off.
Exactly
I did not. I even yelled at him.
Throw the snow right here. Come on.
I don't have shoes on. You guys have all the boots. No. Mom, we gotta do the chickens.
I don't do no.
What?
My nose is shot.
Why? How bad were the roads?
This morning was bad.
How bad is it now?
Really bad.
Now what are you doing?
I told you I'm gonna go shovel the snow.
Mom, We gotta do the chickens.
Well, get your damn shit on.
Chickens! Guys, I'll come back in a minute. Why, guys? I'm back. I'm just gonna go here and show you how much snow we got. I haven't been outside today. Just thought I should show you guys how much snow. Oh, why is everything so slick? Like, guys, look at this. That is a foot of snow almost. Oh man, it's gonna be fun. Oh man, it's like a big fluffy snow. Oh. Wow. Guys, look at all this snow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gee. What? How is he stuck? How is he stuck? How is he stuck? Guys, my dog is being stupid. Man, there's like a layer of ice. Let me go put my phone back down. Ah. Man, I can't even. Why is it just like a layer of ice underneath the snow? I don't understand this. Alright, guys, I'll come back in a few minutes when we get my dog inside, and then I gotta. Yeah, let me get my dog inside and feed the chickens, and I'll come back and tell you how awesome the snow is. Alright, guys, I'm back. Did you guys make it home okay? How were the roads? Come on.
You gotta do this when I'm trying to watch something on TV.
Because you can just pause stupid TV. See? You know what that was?
Wish I could pause you.
Do you see? Click. Don't unpause it.
Click, click, click.
Unpaused. You're supposed to unpause it.
Good. Mini pause.
You didn't unpause me.
Jake!
What's wrong with you?
He sneezed on my eyeball. Really, Jake?
You tell him Jake got stuck in the snow and about died? And you about died with him? You gonna die with your dog?
Yeah, before we was big one.
I would have just left him.
I hollered for help, but nobody came.
I
out to
didn't
help me.
hear
I
you.
was up there getting food for the chicken.
Yeah, we was doing the
I break
chicken.
my freaking leg.
Why?
And I thought Jake was bleeding to death. It was actually me bleeding.
Yeah, how'd you cut your finger?
I can't ride, mate.
How did you break your leg? Why'd you think you broke your leg? Did you
Kinda-
fall?
Yeah, on that ice down.
My mom said you almost fell. She didn't say you fell.
I fell.
She said you almost fell.
For sure, 'cause you,
Cracked my
I was
head on the
getting
cement.
jerking.
Like Blake did.
Like when he was
When we were down in the basement because we had a heck of a tornado coming through. And he ran out there and he tripped and fell and smacked his head on that thing. He about died.
No, was that work?
So that's what's wrong with him.
Yeah, he's crazy because of it.
Said I did.
And my mom, he got mad at my mom because, oh, you didn't do nothing. You're lying. And she won't believe us. She still doesn't.
What's your excuse?
I was born crazy.
Jake, quit the
Get the cat. The cat didn't.
Okay, turn that off.
No.
Come on, baby.
No. Guys, I'll cut back in a minute in the vlog. So, hi, guys, I'm back. It's freaking ridiculously cold. Now we have like a foot of snow outside. It's ridiculous, and it's just, the weather, Mother Nature, winter is here. And here comes the kitten. Meow. What do you want? Kitten's crazy. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to do much today, so I'm going to go into the vlog. If you like today's vlog, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell, and especially, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Woo!